Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make my special slime. You're going to need marshmallows and corn flour. Just melt the marshmallows for 20 seconds and then put the corn flour in and start mixing. You're going to have to knead it a bit. So that's how you make my special slime. So if you think it's short, I just wanted to let you guys know how to make the slime. And I also got this one, which is 2 ingredients like the other one. All you need is flour and soap wash, dish, whatever you call it, dish soap, whatever. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new, please subscribe and like the video. If you're not, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.